Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use a PS4 controller on a MacBook. First, locate your PlayStation 4 controller and ensure it has sufficient charge. On your MacBook, navigate to System Settings and click on the Bluetooth option to turn it on. Next, on your controller, simultaneously press and hold the Share button and the PlayStation button for about 3 seconds until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. This indicates it is in pairing mode, ready to connect with your computer. Once your controller is in pairing mode, return to your MacBook's Bluetooth settings window. You should now see DualShock 4 wireless controller appear in the list of nearby devices. Click the Connect button next to its name. Within a few moments, the controller's light bar will change from flashing to a solid color, usually blue, confirming a successful connection to your MacBook. You are now ready to use your controller. Now that your controller is connected, it is important to verify its functionality. You can do this by opening a game that supports controllers or by using an online controller testing website. Press each of the buttons and move both joysticks to confirm they are registering inputs correctly on your MacBook. This quick check ensures everything is working as expected, providing you with a seamless gaming experience. After successful identity verification, you will proceed to set up your subscription payment. You can select from various payment methods, including credit cards or mobile payment options. Carefully review the monthly cost, which is typically $14.99 per month if purchased through the mobile app. Once you have confirmed all your details and agreed to the terms, your payment will be processed securely and your subscription initiated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.